What's going on, my friends? Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to go over 8 professional kitchen cleaning tips to make your life easier. For a lot of my veteran cleaning confiteers, this information may not be new. You say, Tommy, I got this. But there's a lot of you getting your first apartment, your first house, and you need a little help. So maybe this might be a beginner video. Tip number 1 has to do with your faucet on your kitchen sink. Did you know that you can unclog a clogged nozzle here that has a whole bunch of calcium mineral buildup inside, and it might be spraying everywhere? All you need to do is use vinegar to clean it. Simply put a bag of vinegar over top the nozzle, hold it on with a rubber band, and let that soak all night long, and that vinegar will eat away and loosen up all of that lime scale buildup. Little bonus tip, you can actually do the exact same thing on your shower head. Kitchen cleaning tip number 2, let's talk about smelly trash cans for a moment. Now, I encourage you to clean your trash can out from time to time, but every now and then it will start to smell a little unpleasant. And one of the things you can do is take you some essential oil and a cotton ball, okay? Add you a few drops of your essential oil to your cotton ball, take that cotton ball and drop it in the trash can before you put the liner in. What that's going to help to do is kind of eliminate that unpleasant odor and make your trash can smell a lot better. My favorite essential oil is peppermint. I love peppermint. It smells amazing. Cleaning tip number 3, did you know you can clean your dishwasher from time to time with 1 cup of distilled white vinegar? Simply pour it into the base of the dishwasher, when it's empty of course, and run it on its longest and hottest cycle. After you've run the vinegar through the wash, if you still find that it smells a little bit funky, you can take you 1 cup of baking soda, pour it in the base of the dishwasher as well, and run it on its longest and hottest cycle. And this is going to help to deodorize the dishwasher and also remove any stains that you might find inside. If you want to do a little bit deeper clean of the dishwasher and go beyond the vinegar and the baking soda, I do have a video entitled How to Clean a Dishwasher, and I will leave that video listed and linked down below for you. Moving right along, all I had to do was turn the camera. Microwave. Clean the microwave. Did you know that you can clean your microwave without chemicals by simply using steam? Simply fill you up a container with water, cup, half cup-ish around there. Stick it inside the microwave and run it on high for 6 minutes. After your 6 minutes has expired, let that steam kind of sit in there and dwell and loosen up. That hot steam will loosen up the gunk, maybe the food particles, the grease. Then all you gotta do is take a paper towel or a cloth and wipe out the microwave and you'll be done. Cleaning tip number 5, moving along to the oven here. Now, if you're someone who has a lot of boilovers, okay, maybe you feel your pan too hot and a bunch of, I don't know, sweet potato casserole, marshmallows and stuff just fall over into the bottom of the stove. Oh, not the stove, but the oven. So what you can do, and I need to, mine's a little stained because I've been using it, use this liner. Invest in some good oven liners to put down in the bottom of the oven. And then what you can do is take that liner and then from time to time you just bend it. It's bendable and it will loosen up that gunk, and you just shake it into a trash can or into the sink. And a lot of those liners too are dishwasher safe. So you can put them in your dishwasher, run a cycle to clean them, and then put your liner back into the oven. Cleaning tip number 6 has to do with the countertops, and it's what we call in the cleaning world, the cleaning industry, the eye level test. So you squat down, you get eye level with the countertops, and you'll just be able to see the surface, the top, to see if you missed anything after you've already cleaned them. Cleaning tip number 7 is to clean the floors last, right? Gravity, everything falls to the bottom, so as you're cleaning your countertops, cleaning your stove and everything, you're gonna knock crumbs and stuff to the floors. And you'd be surprised, it seems like common sense, but you'd be surprised how many people go in the wrong order. And so as you're knocking all the crumbs and stuff from the countertops to the floor, just make sure you do your floors last so that you don't double work. So that's more of a time-saving tip. And finally, kitchen cleaning tip number 8, always keep a vacuum on hand. I prefer battery-powered, cordless vacuums. Just keep them on hand, so if you make us a little mess, you can clean it up real fast. To me, it's a lot better than having a broom and dustpan on hand, especially if it's a broom and dustpan where I have to bend over, you know. It's easier just to grab my vacuum cleaner, vacuum up the mess, put the vacuum cleaner away, and move on. And kind of a bonus tip to go along with that, keep you one of these on hand. This is just a spray mop. Okay, so your cleaning solution goes in here. This is obviously the mop part. This just pops off. You can wash it in the washing machine. I've got a trigger right here, and so I spray. If I made a mess, spray. Give it a quick mop. All right. Put it away after that, and move on. So that's it, my friends. 8.5 professional kitchen cleaning tips to make your life easier. If you liked the video, if you found it valuable, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And my fellow Clean with Confiteers, I will see y'all in the next video.